guys, so at Pantaloon Saima 2019 in Doha, we have with us one of the most versatile, one of the most wonderful actresses in South Indian cinema. I must say, Anushya Garu, you're looking wonderful, and always you manage to come up with such unconventional looks for Saima carpet. So is it like something you put a lot of thought into? How long does it take for you to finalize these looks?
Consciously I do make efforts, but then a lot of time I don't think so, because I don't have that kind of time working on television and cinema together. Touch wood. So yes, something which I consciously do, and I enjoy doing it myself along with my stylist, of course.
That's wonderful, all of you. The whole team is doing such a fantastic job. But I must say, what a year it has been, right? I think with Rangasthalam, it just opened up a whole new avenue for you, and people started looking at you from a very different perspective. So how are you enjoying the success of the film, and today being nominated, how does that feel?
It feels great to be a part of Saima always. Nominations, I always keep telling, nominations are kind of winning for me. If I win, it's an icing on the cake. So it feels great what Rangasthalam has given me a larger scope. It has changed the way industry has looked at me and is looking at me again. So I'm getting a lot of substantial characters to get narrated to, and I got a lot of confidence to say yes and no to a lot of characters, so that it feels good.
That's lovely. And you look so wonderful. How is it that years go by and I see you on the carpet and you look exactly the same? Even younger, I must say. Is there like a fitness secret?
Last time we met, I was quite chubby.
Exactly. You beat yourself every year. How is that?
I just love to be fit myself, and it's just that sometimes due to my heavy work schedules, I won't be able to sleep well or eat well. And due to all the gymnastics I do on sets, I keep falling and breaking my ankles and legs sometimes. Then I won't be able to, but it's just a process and phases in life, I guess. So I just enjoy every phase though.
That's wonderful. We hope you have many more wonderful characters coming in your way. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you. At Pantaloon Saima 2019 in Doha, we have with us someone who has made probably the most striking appearance on the red carpet. You're looking ravishing in your red dress.
Thank you so much. So do you.
Thank you very much. So how do you feel being a part of Saima once again? Are you excited about this evening?
You're asking me once again. This is the first time I'm attending Saima, and this is my first time got nominated for RX100 as a debutant. So yeah, looking forward for a great night, and fingers crossed. I hope I'm gonna win it.
But I think even like at the Saima press release and the short film awards, you made quite an appearance there as well, right?
No. This is debut again.
Okay, all right.
Apart from this, I'm attending many awards nowadays because people are greeting me with awards, and I'm really happy.
That's wonderful. So now that you're here for the Telugu and the Kannada awards, who are you most looking forward to? This is just like a fangirl moment. Who are you looking forward to meet?
That's a bit controversial, huh?
Okay, but no, just as like that little girl who you would have admired when you were little.
Girl. Then he would be old only, na? Come on, ask me with same age.
Okay, same age.
Prabhas, but he's not coming here. One guy's there, Vijay Deverakonda. That's it.
Ooh, nice. So out of all these Vijay Deverakonda songs that we've listened to and we've all gone gaga over, which has been your favorite?
There's one song, Inke 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 Kavali, that I really like it. Though I don't understand it much, but yes, the rhythm, the lyrics, everything, it's a beautiful song.
Okay.
Hey, hi there, this is Payal Rajput. Catch my music at Jio Sawan. Take care. Let's play it.
Thank you so much. See you.